Which sentence has an incorrect form of a verb? A. Sentence 1, B. Sentence 2, C. Sentence 3, or D. Sentence 4. Verbs tell us a lot about when a sentence takes place. For example, I went tells us this event took place in the past, I go tells us it's happening currently, I will go happens in the future, etc. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and see if the verb tenses match up with when their sentences are taking place. A. Sentence 1. If someone created a flying machine capable of tracking you down by listening for your voice, you might be creep out. This sentence discusses a hypothetical situation, which we see from the word if, and uses the verb created, which is in the past tense. However, we need to focus on the second part of the sentence, where it says, you might be creep out. Here, creep is in the base form, but because we're supposed to be in the past tense, we can see that creeped would be appropriate. Because this sentence has an incorrect verb form, this is likely our answer, but we'll take a look at the other choices just to be sure. B. Sentence 2. But what if you were pinned under a pile of rubble after a natural disaster and first responders couldn't locate you? This sentence also brings up a hypothetical situation. Again, we see the word if, with our verb being pinned in past tense. Our other verb, couldn't, is also in the past, as opposed to the present can't. As all the verb forms in this sentence are correct, we can mark this choice off. C. Sentence 3. Maybe then a human-seeking drone wouldn't be such a terrible idea. Continuing with our hypothetical situation in the past tense, we can see our verb, wouldn't, is in the past, as opposed to the present won't, and therefore this can be marked as incorrect. And D. Sentence 4. That concept is the focus of engineers at Germany's Fraunhofer FKIE Institute, who've built a drone prototype designed to find people by detecting human screams and listening for other signs of distress. Having finished discussing our hypothetical situation, we now go into the present tense to discuss what is actually being designed and engineered currently. And the verbs in our sentence reflect that. That concept is the focus. We also have who have in the past tense, but this is also appropriate as it's discussing a prototype that has already been designed, but is still being improved upon. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.